Hi, I'm with Aston. Today you join me at Whixall Moss with Peter Bowyer, the Senior Reserve Manager for Natural England at Mammoth Tower.
Yeah, in this location we're at the Mammoth Tower, which is easily accessible just off the Llangollen Canal, which is one of the busiest canals in the UK. It's got a really good towpath from our main car park at Morris's Bridge, so it's really good access to be able to get here, sort of almost an all-ability access really. People can moor their canal boats along the towpath. There is a disabled mooring spot as well, and from there the towpath is stoned and is a fairly level towpath to be able to come and visit the tower and to visit the boardwalk by the tower as well. The tower itself is about 5 metres high, and it absolutely gives you an amazing view across Fenns Moss and Whixell Moss and Bettesfield Moss. It's really well worth a visit. We've got a periscope at the bottom for the people who can't obviously access to the top of the tower because there's a set of steps, and we've got an interpretation panel across the top and across the bottom which shows you what's on the landscape. The height of the top of the tower is 5 metres because that would have represented where the height of the peat bog would have been sort of over 150 years ago, before the real commercial exploitation happened with all the sort of peat being cut and all the associated drainage. We're fortunate because at the location of the tower we've still got 5 metres of peat below us, which shows you that the bog in that location would have been around 10 metres deeper. The reason we called it the Mammoth Tower, because there's a big association with the peat bog with the glaciation. In some peat bogs, mammoths have been found preserved because they would have been around, of course, at the glaciation when these bogs were starting to form. So there's a big association with this part of the country with mammoths being in this landscape. We wanted to call it the Mammoth Tower to link with that glacial past, because of course this would have all been covered in glaciers, and to make it somewhere that we're trying to attract families to come and visit this site. It's an internationally important wetland, a fantastic facility and we really want people to come and visit and enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.